Have you ever wondered how these slender asparagus spears have become an essential part of our daily meals? Let's explore the lush green asparagus fields stretching across the coastal deserts of South America, Southeast Asia, and many other regions around the world. Asparagus is not only highly nutritious and beneficial for health, but it's also a familiar ingredient in many gourmet dishes. Asparagus thrives in loose, nutrient-rich, and well-drained soil with a pH level of around 6.5 to 7.5. Farmers usually plow the soil thoroughly, remove weeds and stones, and enrich the land with organic compost or well-rotted manure to enhance fertility. Asparagus seeds are sown about 0.5 to 1 inch deep and typically germinate within 10 to 15 days, depending on temperature conditions. When the seedlings grow to about 20-30 centimeters tall, they begin developing root systems and leaves. By the end of the seedling stage, once the roots are fully developed, farmers start harvesting roots from mature plants. These root systems, commonly known as crowns, are dug up using specialized machinery. They are then transported to seedling centers, carefully sorted, packaged, and sent to farms for the next planting cycle. After planting the crowns, farmers cover the raised beds with plastic mulch to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and stabilize soil temperature. It takes about 2 to 3 years for the asparagus plants to grow strong enough for full-scale harvesting. In the first year, the plants focus on root and stem development. No spears are harvested. By the second year, when the plants are more mature, farmers may harvest a small portion to avoid compromising long-term growth. From the third year onward, the plants reach full maturity and can be harvested officially. Harvesting is typically done in the early morning to ensure optimal freshness and quality. Farmers use specialized knives to cut the spears close to the base, about 2.5 centimeters above the ground. Precision is key to avoid damaging the roots or new emerging spears. After cutting, the asparagus is sorted right in the field by size and quality. Hand harvesting allows for careful inspection, ensuring only spears that meet quality standards are collected. Although labor-intensive, It helps maintain exceptional freshness and quality. Meanwhile, mechanical harvesting offers a modern solution that reduces labor costs and improves productivity. Asparagus harvesters are equipped with sensors and automated cutting or vacuum systems, allowing precise collection without damaging the roots. Once harvested, the asparagus must be cleaned immediately to remove dirt and impurities. This is typically done by rinsing the spears in cold or cool water for a short period. In some cases, a diluted saltwater solution is used to sanitize and clean the surface. Next, the spears are trimmed, removing tough bases and segments that don't meet quality standards. They are then sorted by size, large, medium, and small, to facilitate packaging according to market demands. The cleaned and sorted spears are packed into paper boxes or plastic bags, depending on customer preferences. To maintain freshness, asparagus may be stored in cold storage, frozen, or packed with ice in temperature-controlled environments. The ideal storage temperature for fresh asparagus is between 0 degrees Celsius and 2 degrees Celsius, but it should not be stored for too long as quality may decline over time. Another popular processing method is canned asparagus puree, asparagus pâté. Tender young spears are selected, cleaned, trimmed, and briefly blanched. They are then finely pureed using specialized machinery and lightly seasoned with salt or natural spices. The puree is packed into sterilized cans and heat processed at high temperatures to ensure food safety. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring journeys from farm to table.